Most people try AI once and quit. If you're wondering how to use AI, it's not because it doesn't work, it's because no one showed you what to type. When most people open an AI tool for the first time, they type something vague like write an email or help me with work, and what comes back is just as vague, generic, flat, not quite right, so they assume AI just isn't that useful. But that's not what's happening. AI doesn't think like a person. It doesn't read between the lines or fill in what you meant. It responds directly to what you give it. Vague input leads to generic output. Clear input leads to useful output. Here's what changes everything. Instead of saying write an email, try this. Write a professional email to my manager about missing a deadline. Keep it honest and respectful. The goal is to explain the delay and propose a new timeline. Same task, but now AI has something real to work with. You can do the same thing with almost anything. Instead of summarize this, say summarize this into 5 bullet points using simple language. Instead of help me plan my day, say I have meetings at 10 and 2 and I need 2 hours of focused work. Build me a simple schedule. The difference is clarity. The easiest way to use AI is a simple 3-part structure: who it's for, what it's about, and what you want the result to be. You don't need more tools. You don't need to learn anything technical. You just need to be clear. AI is not a mind. It's a tool. And like any tool, it works better when you use it with intention. If you focus on giving better input, you'll start getting better results almost immediately. Follow HowYouAI for practical AI for work and life.